Here's today's top story. Google's July 2026 update is here for your Pixel phone. Affiliate links on Android Authority may earn us a commission. Learn more. Google's July 2026 update is here for your Pixel phone 6 hours ago. Google's first monthly update since the arrival of Android 17 is now hitting Pixel devices. So far, Google has only revealed a handful of fixes to look forward to. Last month was an absolutely huge one for Pixel phones, between the release of Android 17 stable, the June Pixel drop, and our regular set of monthly fixes and patches. There's not much July can do to reach such levels of Android hype, but we're still very much interested in keeping our handsets up to date, and right now, that means getting our hands on Google's latest July updates. Over on its Pixel support community, Google announces the July 2026 Pixel updates. This release is available for all Pixel 6 and later phones, the Pixel tablet, and all of Google's Pixel foldables. In the US, these devices will all be getting build CP2A.2607005.006. As always, your easiest option for upgrading is to simply wait for your OTA notification to appear, though as we all know, that could take a while, with Google confirming plans to make the release available to more and more Pixel users over the course of the next week. If waiting even a few more days feels simply intolerable, we're already seeing July update OTA images available for download, which you can always sideload after grabbing the correct version for your Pixel hardware. As for specific fixes, here's what Google tells us to expect. Apps fix for an issue where certain applications would unexpectedly close or fail to launch. Framework fix for an issue where various system widgets were displayed with incorrect colors or contrast settings. System fix for an issue where some devices would fail to load the Android system or become stuck in a boot loop under certain conditions. User interface fix for an issue on foldable devices where the navigation buttons would unexpectedly change alignment after folding and unfolding the device. Fix for an issue where the wallpaper shape effect would incorrectly cover the subject instead of appearing in the background. Thank you for being part of our community. Read our comment policy before posting. That's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe.